Hi guys, welcome back to the 7th day of 21 days daily action challenge. Today I'm going to talk about something very interesting, and so many of us say this very casually: go with the flow. Guys, go with the flow is a very casual statement, and it doesn't really work and doesn't really help or serve in the long run. I have seen at the workplace and people around me. I have seen that people hardly plan or prioritize things, and most of the time we end up spending our day doing only urgent work. So life is not just an emergency situation. If we do not plan or attempt complex work timely, and we break down and complete the work on time, it will always create emergency at the last moment. And what happens when there is emergency? There is stress, there is tension, there is anxiety, and there is overwhelm. Why we generally tend to go with the flow is because we don't want to take the pain of planning things or breaking down the complex task into simple, smaller action plan or milestones. If we do not take the pain now, the pain at the end is going to be too much. Always trying to solve urgent stuff can lead to real stress in life, and ultimately what is important will not be attempted. And if we keep trying to solve problems at the last minute, everything will become a loop of emergency and urgency. Life is not emergency. Life is not urgency. Life is cool, and it should be enjoyed in a very, I would say, nice way, at ease. Whatever you are doing, if you do not enjoy it, and if there is always a loop of stress, you are not enjoying life. You are just letting life happen, and you are missing out the final moments of life. You are not able to enjoy and have fun. I know people who never plan. They don't know what's going to happen the next day. And what happens the next day is stress, anxiety, or nothing at all. People get bored because they don't have a vision, mission, or a plan for the next day. I've seen people, getting absolutely bored on weekends, because on weekends that momentum is not there, office work is not there, colleagues are not there. So people don't know how to spend the day, and they get bored. That's because they don't have any plan or purposeful plan, I would say, in life. So guys, have a purpose. Break down the complex difficult task into smaller tasks. Attempt in a step-by-step manner. Have a structured approach towards taking action, and just enjoy life. There is no need to create urgency in life all the time. Everything cannot be urgent and important, right? So focus on what is important. It will never become urgent. So guys, if you liked what I said, and if you agree to what I just said, try and practice attempting difficult task from the beginning, and break it down into smaller, doable, digestible, palatable, easy, smaller micro wins, and ultimately your macro wins will fall in place. So guys, if you like what I said, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and continue to support me the way you have been doing. And I'll come back soon with another important little message that can really help you, and it has helped me, and that's why I'm sharing with you guys. And follow me on social media. Follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Reach out to me. I have shared my email ID as well. Reach out to me. Let me know if you want to get any solution, or if you want any inputs on any challenge that you're facing currently. I'll be happy to help you guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Signing off right now. See you soon.